Click More to enter the My Device menu, where you can access additional device features. Click the green button beneath the left or right hearing aid on the screen to find your device. With Live Listen, you can use your cell phone as a wireless microphone to pick up and transmit sound directly into your hearing aids. Click the green button again to turn off this feature. It's important to keep your app updated with the latest features. Check here periodically to see if an update has been released.